Hi, Jace. Say hi, baby. Ah, is that good? Num 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 num. Num num. That's that bruise he got on his face today and on his forehead. Today he fell off the bed. See, it's right there. And then he has one on his forehead. He's had a bad week, huh? You've had a bad week. And he also busted his lip open. Let me see your mouth. Too close. Too close. Hey, wait a minute. You're moving too much. Can I see your lip? Oh, there it is. You gonna talk to the camera? Logie, 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 logie.
Thank you for building my new home, Finn. I'm so happy. Yes.
Daddy's home. Dada home. Dada. Oh,
Hi, buddy. What you doing? Huh? What you doing, little man? Hi. Hi, little boy. Hi. What are you doing? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, Jace. Jace. Hey.
go to Dada.
Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Yeah, there you go, Turbo Man. Oh, look at you. You big boy. You big boy, huh? Mwah. Hi, handsome. Mwah. Go back to the couch. Hi, dude. You smile for the camera? Hi. How was your day today? Oh, you pulling me to pick you up, huh? Okay, come here. Oh. Hi, Bo.